Hi guys, welcome to SAP tutorials once again. With this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a basic Hello World program. So let's start with accessing our remote system where SAP client is installed for us. We go here and we just go to start and then SAP log on. With this, we are able to access our remote system. I'm going here again. Let's just double click here. As usual, I'm entering my username and password. So after you have access to a system, we start with our program development. Now I told you how to navigate to the object navigator. So we use a shortcut which is SEAT. This is a transaction code we are using. So we are now to the ABAP development workbench. So to create a hello world program, we'll be creating this as a local object. So you go to the repository browser in your workbench. Select local objects, which is the last option in this menu. Here you would have a base. Here you would have a local package which is already created for you, a temporary package. You can see that $TMP. This is your local package. Now in this package, you'd be creating our first program. So to create a program in this package, we just right click on this package, go create, and then program. Now, since this is a local object, the naming convention of it starts usually with a Z. Whatever program that you want to create, you start its name with a Z, and then whatever program name that you want. You can also use Y as the first letter of the name of the local program. This is the naming convention that we are using, and this is a mandatory. If you try with any other letter, it will give an error. Let's see. So let's say I use I or K and then prog1. It'll give an error. Object can only be created in SAV package. Since AZ was not used, it assumes that you're trying to create it in a SAP package which is global in nature. So since you're trying to create a program for a local package, you start its name with a Z. So going back again, I write Z program 1. Just hit enter, save and save. That's it. A program is created with report Z program 1 written on the top of it. Now to to write hello world at an output, we just write and then whatever string that you want as an output. So I write hello world. That's it. When you're done with this, hit Control S or you can use the save icon. Now when you save this program, it is not yet done. It shows the status as inactive. Now when you try to execute this program, let's say I executed this program. You can execute the program with this icon. It'll take some time. My system is slow. But then I'll tell you what the funda is about this inactive and active. Whenever a program is inactive, it is not accessible to the other users in your system. So let's say this program is inactive, so it won't other users won't be able to access this program. Let's say I make this active, then other users of the system would also be able to access this program. So it is a recommendation that whatever program that you make, you should activate it so that other users are able to access those fields or those programs. Let's say you make a field, a variable, you have to activate it so that other users are able to access it. So now I executed it, hello world. You can see the output, but then other users won't be able to see this output. In order to get the same output for other users, you need to activate it. Now you can activate it using Control plus F3 or you can click on this icon. it shows a pop-up wherein you need to choose the report. REPS means report. So you need to choose the report which you need to activate. So Z program 1 is our report. We just choose it by clicking here. So you can click here, choose the report that you want to activate, and just hit enter or continue. So that's it. Now your program is activated, and if you run it, you still get the same output, but then other users would also be able to get the same output as you are getting because you have activated the program. So this is all about creating a first program. You can access the same program by going to your local objects, your username, your local package, and then programs, and you can see the programs that you have created. You go to Z program 1 and double click here, and you would be able to see the program. Now this is only in view mode. To edit the program once again, you need to check here, display. Control F1 is a shortcut for this. And when you click here, you can change the program again. Don't forget that every statement in a program would usually end with a dot. So if you are not using a dot at the end, and if you try to execute it, you'd get some errors. So to terminate each and every sentence in your SAP ABAP program with a dot, like we use semicolon for C++ and Java, you have to use a dot operator for ABAP reports. So when you run it without a dot, you'd get an error that the statement in this program is terminated incorrectly. You got this error. Program Z program 1, the last statement is not complete, period missing, the dot operator. And it tells you the row number where that error is and the type of the error. So you just add a dot again and save the program again. You get it inactive, you have to activate it again because you made changes. You activate it again and then run, and it would work the way it used to work. And you'd get hello world as an output. I hope you understand the simple program. If you have any doubts, you can raise them in the comments and let me know. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.